All right, we come up from the creek. We decided we'd walk the old path out over toward the church, and about 25-30 yards back there, seen something up the hill. Tina's gonna go check it out. Kind of looks like a old antler shed. Kind of hoping it is. I mean, it wouldn't be this year's, because I mean, this is November. It's probably back last spring. I believe that's what that is. Sure as the world. Look at here, what we done found down here in the woods at Little Horse Creek Adventures. You just don't ever know what kind of adventure you're gonna get into. Oh, that's a pretty one. Look at there. We'll put that one with the collection. Yes, sirree. I like it. That is super cool. Yes, sirree. It's good to walk in the woods every once in a way. It may be, or it could be a mile from here. It all depends on how he dropped them. Well, we'll let that go for now, unless we find something else interesting down here in the woods. Appreciate it. Well, hey y'all, Little Horse Creek Adventures down here again, doing a little bit of woods walking. This is kind of we found the deer antler shed a while ago, and we come up from the creek bottom where we done a little bit of creek fishing, and just enjoying the woods on a cool fall day, and walked up on this right here. I'm telling you what, folks is just plumb sorry sometimes when they throw out a load of trash on somebody else's property. It's been here for a while. You can kind of see that. It's one thing to have been thrown out, spilling over on my property, but the part that really aggravates me is the fact that this is right out the back of the churchyard. I mean, Little Horse Creek Church is right up this embankment parking lot, and the church even put up a sign saying "No dumping, please." See, there's the church right there. There's the parking lot. I done come over on church property now. But when a church has to put a sign like that in the back of their parking lot to try to encourage people not to dump, that's just a shame. It's just a plumb shame. But that's the way things are, seem like, and it really ain't nothing new. Folks been dumping trash on other folks' property for years. But anyhow, just thought we'd kind of share that as one of those things that just ain't very nice sometimes.
The devil made them do it.
Ma'am?
The devil made them do it.
Yeah, Tina said the devil made them do it. Well, I don't know, but
In a churchyard?
It ain't good. It ain't good at all. Anyhow, appreciate you watching. Not sure what the next video will be, but we'll see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.